guys, and today welcome back to our channel, which is Shivansh Reyansh Lives. And as we promised you, we bought the unboxing video. Before we get into that, make sure you subscribe that channel and hit those bells. Bells sound in the background, please. You heard it. Now, make sure you hit the like button because YouTube got a new update in which if you hit the like button can turn blue, black, white. Make sure you check it out. And now, let's get into it with no delays. So, we got our car over here. You can see it. It's a stunt vehicle. And I will explain you in the further of a video. This is the front of the car. It is large and the name of this car is Mako. It's Stunt Mocha 4-wheel drive. As you see, it's a stunt car. It has 2.4 GHz and there are two controls in this car. That's why it's so special in a stunt car. This car has two controls. First of all, a hand gesture in which you have various directions, various formations in which you put your hand. That car will just do like that. And this is the controls. You can see many buttons are there. Right, downward drift, upper drift, all of these features. And then the middle feature is for making the car dance. Yes, and there's one feature for making the car stand. It's a two-sided stunt wheel and it's a 4WD high-speed racing car with lighting. The tires, these battery kind of tires, light, gravity induction with go uphill easily. You can go upstairs anywhere easily. That's why it's a stunt car. It has a double-sided driving. Means you can make it stand up, you can make it sit down, you can make it flip also. You see, it's for 3+ ages.
But I am 6+ and my big bhaiya is 12+.
Yeah, Vedu has been waiting for this car since very long time.
So Vedu, how are you feeling now?
Very, very, very nice.
How will you use this car?
Which is there control any?
There is no. See, this is the on button. This car is so nice. It has an on button, not down. Mostly cars have on button under their appearance, but this car is like Iron Man. His uni-beam is over here. This car's uni-beam is over here with the same shape of a triangle.
So let's open it.
Let's start unboxing it. So, we're gonna unbox it like this. My hands are shaking. So this is the car. Nice.
Nice.
You really do love to see it.
Let us own it.
Wait. It's a little bit dusty. But because we have kept it, we have sanitized it for 2 days. That's why Vedu has waited for a long time. Now we are finally opening it. This thing is heavy.
Oh my gosh.
See, this is the chargers. These are the chargers. This charger is obviously for the car battery. Then this is the car battery.
That was easy to
It's
remove.
big.
This was easy to remove with my hands.
Good. And then this is this hand gestures charger.
And where is
I'll show you how to put it in the hand gesture.
Bhaiya, we need 2 extra batteries.
Okay, we'll arrange it. See, this charger is for this hand gesture. It will go right over
1 minute,
here.
guys, I'm coming.
It will just go right over here inside. See that? It will go over there. This hand gesture is looking very nice. So how do you wear the hand gesture? Just put your hand and just connect it. These holes is just like a watch because it is a watch. You see these three circles. You can connect them in these three holes according to your waist size or width. And you see I'm gonna connect it. This is kind of like a watch.
Guys, I came back for mini batteries. Let me see what can come in the batteries.
Anything can come.
This.
Do you even know the direction?
Arre. He put it right. And it started lighting.
I want to check.
Hey, keep quiet right now. Yeah. So this is connected. Right now we need to insert the battery on this. But before that, I need to learn how to wear this watch. Let me see in the box. There would be something. Okay. So you have to wear it like this. This one you go from your fist. See guys, this one, this hole, you make it go from your fist. Then you attach one thing like this. What I told you, whatever you're with this, you can attach it from there.
Guys, we have like 1015 batteries.
Yeah. See it attached. Now we have to put this on
We
our
need a screwdriver.
middle finger.
We need just a screwdriver.
This is we need to put it because this is a finger sensor. It will sense our fingers, our movement of the fingers especially. As you see, it is we set it up. Now see, as you know, I set it up. Now this is the on and off button. See, lights will start glowing over here.
Put the battery bhaiya fast.
Now we can control the car with ease. And when these lights stop glowing and when even you have not off it, you can just charge it. This with this USB port. You know, when you charge the car with this, there will be a light glowing over here. The car's battery, there will be a light glowing over here. It will be green light and it will start blinking. But when the green light is still, means the car is fully charged. Let me off this thing. I just don't want to waste the battery. Yeah, you have to hold to off it. Yeah. Now we are going to come on to the car. As I told you, this is a two-sided car. So meaning it can flip like this or it can flip like this. So now this is the battery. This battery is actually longer than any AA battery in the world. 1200 mAh, the battery's capacity.
Now let me tell
See, and it's rechargeable. So that's very nice. So now we gotta connect it. Hold these.
See in the instruction box.
Your bhaiya has the best instruction box. Like this. No, it's like this. See guys, you see there is a upward part over here. This part we gotta connect it like this, and this upward part we just gotta join it like this. Yeah, done. Now adjust the battery inside the car. I don't even know if the battery will be fully charged. Well, it should be, but it is charged. Okay, so this is the front. This is the front of the car with the logo is tape. What did you do? Battery is less, we need to charge it.
Guys, we are going to charge this car because they give low batteries in it. Then we have to charge it. We will come from Newcastle. Then we will see is it charged. Then we will test it out. Then it's ending. I'm very happy.
So guys, the car is finally charged. We on it by doing this. It on. Now I'm going to operate the car. So see, the forward button makes it go forward. Now you see this circle, and if I press it, this circle, it stands. If I press it again, it stops. You can play your music by pressing the middle button. Now it will be normal.
And we have an extra.
So after that,
video.
after that, we are going to, you see, these are the drifts. You press this, it goes right. You press this, it goes left. You press this, it will go back and front. This is the lateral drift. It goes back, front and all. So guys, this is the final outcome of our unboxing. Make sure you like our videos, and now finally, peace. Now, bye.